Techline Composite welcomes you. Ayurveda Dhroni Massage Table is traditional design used to perform the ancient Ayurvedic treatment by us. As we are ISO certified manufacturer from last 3 decades. Dimensions of our massage table are as per standard dimensions prescribed by top doctors worldwide. Techline massage table is 30 inches in width and has length of 8 feet. We Techline have various color options for Dhroni massage tables. First color is wooden finish HD color, it is highly recommended. Second color is golden brown, it comes in both gloss and matte finish. Third color is copper dust, which is new addition to our catalog. Next comes most popular color coffee, which is first choice of many. Last is evergreen black color, dark and rusty black steals all attention. Call or WhatsApp us on above numbers to place order or for any information. We are based in Jaipur, India. We have various buying options.